was very little interest in the river. He rehabbed commercial and residential, but it was pretty much of a sleeper at the time. And as we're right next door, we have a series of river cottages, also by Harry Weeks in 1988. He was a devoted sailor, so we see lots of sailing motifs in the shape of his windows, in the configuration of his stairwell. There has been one sale of these river cottages since 1988. A current is secondly on the market, so if you're keen, call your agent. The asking price is $2.5 million. All right, as we get a little bit further up now, I'd like to do a back and